and version of our Sanskriti then the divine sound of Santur. Panditji is a distinguished disciple of Bharat Ratna Pandit Ravi Shankar ji and has devoted his life to taking the beauty and spiritual depth of Indian classical music across the world. He has performed at Harvard, Princeton, and many other prestigious universities. He is a recipient of Sangeet Natak Academy Award, the Tansen Samman, and in 2026, the Government of India honored him with the Padma Shri. Let's give him a round of applause for that. Padma Shri. Today, Panditji, we'll do something particularly close to our hearts. He will bring our familiar Sanatan bhajans and sacred melodies alive through the divine sound of the Santur, allowing us not simply to hear our Sanskriti, but to feel it and experience it through the divine Santur strings. So with Shraddha, gratitude and great devotion, please join me in welcoming our honored guest, a living legend of Bharat, Padma Shri Pandit Tarun Bhattacharya ji. Pandit ji, the stage and our heart is with you now. Thank you. And accompanying him is our great friend Sudhir Limeji, who has been performing in South Florida for many, many years. We go a long way back, and he has performed in so many of the classical and semi-classical and popular music. Thank you very much, Sudhir ji. Thank you very much.
Namaskar, one and all. Good morning. It's a nice ambience today. A very devotional morning. And it's a great opportunity, great privilege for me to perform here in the temple. First time I'll be playing with him, and just yesterday only we met. Today's concert will be a little bit different. Usually I play classical concert, Bhartiji knows. But today is like little bit, concert will be little bit devotional, and I'll be playing as Vivekji said, I'll be playing couple of bhajans and chantings, mantras, something like that. But because I'm a classical artist,